Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your reading. See what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, get rid of it. Okay. Rich rising. Good evening. Good afternoon. Let's see what y'all got going on. What's going on with this TV? The Bernie Mac show. What y'all got going on? What's happening? Celibate. At the bottom of the deck, I see voodoo. So I'm definitely seeing there's some sort of voodoo here. That's the unseen, but anchoring this reading is celibate. Celibacy. Something is celibate. There's an energy. I don't know why I heard purification. Somebody's going to do purification, but the unseen is someone trying to do voodoo. Let's go and clarify this celibate real quick. What do we need to know in regards to the celibate energy? Clarify celibate, please, Spirit. What's going on with the YouTube collective regarding celibacy? What's going on with the celibate energy? Celibate. Clarifying the celibate energy, I'm seeing stabbed in the back. Oh, did I show y'all celibate? Anger in this reading? Now, it seems like there is some sort of heartbreak, pain, deception, or shocking attack. So it's this energy of somebody utilizing voodoo on you. Whoever you are, like I stated before, you're celibate, but I'm seeing it looks like somebody's stabbing you in the back. It seems like this is a shocking attack from someone. This is someone you know, that's stabbing you in the back, utilizing voodoo to try to cause you some sort of pain or heartbreak. This is someone that you severed ties with. This is not even someone that you are talking to with this separation here. Let's go ahead and verify stabbed in the back. That's why you gotta be careful who you lay down with. You gotta be careful with who you befriend. And that who you bring into your circle, because these people fucking weird as fuck. Okay? Some of these people are just placed in your life to become blockages, to create unnecessary blockages and issues, to keep you from where you're supposed to be going, those, especially those that have a purpose and know what that purpose is, because a lot of people don't even know what their purpose is. So from them not knowing their purpose, they start interfering with everyone else's or stealing everyone else's and thinking that it's their purpose. Oh, you're doing it, so I can do it too. And it's not even aligned to what you were supposed to be doing to begin with. And then get mad and want to do voodoo. Clarify stabbed in the back. Stabbed in the back. Gratitude spirit. What's at the bottom of the deck? I'm seeing energy of somebody running. Spirit said this person is a groupie. What this energy is that is doing this voodoo, this deception, deceiving you, shockingly attacking you. It seems like this person is someone that watches you. This groupie energy. Whoever you are, you might have some sort of following or something like that. Yeah. It seems like you're I don't know, I'm seeing celebrity status or something like that. Or maybe this person see you as celebrity status, but what I'm seeing, like whoever this person was a wolf in sheep's clothing. So it was definitely necessary for you to have left this person alone. You was right on the money, because because if this person went on whatever they on, it's like them showing their hand or revealing themselves after you separate yourself from them. Like, for example, if you stop talking to somebody, the next thing you know, you find out that they talking trash about you behind your back. And in this case, it seems like whoever this person is, they doing voodoo and things like that, stabbing you in your back and stuff like that. Just doing all this unnecessary things. They watching you and shit like that. I'm saying this person is they trying to see what the fuck you got going on. I guess they trying to see if the voodoo is hitting. Because it says no facts, never had the facts, make shit up. This person is delusional as hell. They a fucking liar. This is what this person is. They be all up in your business. The shit that they be talking about be pure bullshit. They have no facts. They make shit up. They're delusional as fuck. Something is wrong. They need mental health. They need some sort of therapist. If they have a therapist, they need to talk to their therapist a little bit more, because whoever this person is I don't know, it's almost coming off like temptation. Is that what it's called? Temptation or something like that? This is somebody that needs to be in a straitjacket or something. Because for you to cut somebody off and for them to say, oh, you know what? You done made me angry. You done hurt my feelings. Because like like I'm supposed to be cool with you all your motherfucking life. Y'all are not, y'all, you have free will. Just like there was that free will to do that voodoo. Now it's about to be that free will for to get their ass beat. I'm laughing, but I'm so serious. This is about to be free will. It was free will. Now it's free will for them to get their ass beat in the spirit. Because you did fucking wrong. You was already dead from the fucking wrong to begin with, because you were already coming out as a wolf in sheep's clothing. The fuck? Clarify this groupie energy. At the bottom of the deck, we got Empress. All this is happening to an Empress. Hating ass people. Clarify groupie. What happened? Clarify this groupie energy. Clarify grouping. Yeah, I feel like whoever this person is, they watch you often. They be doing their spell work, y'all, with the magician clarifying this groupie. They be watching you a lot. And it's like an energy of this person being patient, slowly but surely watching. Yeah, and it's almost like an energy of this person in confusion too. With this Two of Swords, it's definitely like there's some sort of confusion here. I'm seeing somebody being blindfolded. Hmm. There's an energy of possible lies, illusions, and secrets. At the bottom of the deck, I'm seeing somebody grieving. They're going to experience some sort of loss. There's an energy of them harboring or, grieving over something that did not go according to plan. With this Five of Cups, it's like you can't take it back after it's already been done. And I'm seeing somebody in this energy of like feeling trapped. It's like an energy of self-imposed. It's almost like you got yourself trapped, self-imposed restriction. You got yourself trapped. Whoever this person is that's coming out as a groupie got themselves trapped. Clarify this wolf in sheep's clothing. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Clarify wolf in sheep clothing. Wolf in sheep's clothing. The first card that came out clarifying wolf in sheep's clothing is a father figure, emperor energy. Someone that you got some sort of authoritative figure. Some sort of possibly older masculine energy could definitely be significant or something like that. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Ooh, these can even be parents. This could be like a mother and a father. This could be like a married couple. Clarify wolf in sheep's clothing. These are people that you done walked away from, because I'm seeing the Eight of Cups out here. There's an energy of you guys withdrawing your energy and walking away from this energy. I'm seeing like there may have been some sort of apology, or somebody who may try to apologize, or they will try to apologize, and it's not going to work. Clarify wolf in sheep's clothing. Yeah, it's like an energy of this people move. It's like slowly but surely, slow and steady. There's an energy of you guys persevering regardless of what they did with this Page of Pentacles. There's still an energy of perseverance, but it's like it's in divine timing. It's what I'm seeing here. If anything, they assisted you with releasing bad baggage, burdens. They tried to place burdens on you, but the burdens that they're trying to place on you is going to be placed upon them. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Yeah, I'm seeing there's a Queen of Pentacles energy out here. That may definitely be significant. I'm seeing that there is some sort of friendship, or there were a friendship or something like that. I'm also seeing an energy. This could be the Queen of Pentacles that walked away, and there's some sort of things happening in divine timing where you will be celebrating as well. With overcoming whatever this is, this voodoo, with whoever these wolf in sheep's clothing are that are watching you. And again, whoever these people are is people that you no longer communicate with, and they don't know anything about you, so they end up making shit up about you. They're trying to find something about you. Clarify there's no facts. No facts. Clarify no facts. I'm definitely seeing the Four of Swords. There's an energy of someone not being able to rest. I feel like whoever this person is be up long hours of the night. They be stressed out. I'm seeing that judgment being called. I feel like that there's an energy of things being revealed. This person will be going through some sort of awakening to their ways. I feel like your ancestors are jumping on that ass as well. This person's trying to. I feel like whoever this person is, they're trying to. Because we got the Three of Swords in reverse. They're trying to stop something from happening. Some sort of heartbreak. What is this? They're trying to reconcile with you or trying to make things, or will try to make things right with you. Whoever this person is might even try to offer you some sort of gift, some sort of money or something like that. I don't know. This might be like whoever this person is, they might be trying to find a way to come back into your energy. They might be even trying to utilize voodoo to try to get in your energy or something, and it's not working. But this Ace of Pentacles, like I said, it could be them just simply giving you a gift or something like that, or trying to give you something. If it's not a gift, I don't know if it's money or something like that. It's like an energy of them extending something off to you or extending something to you. This is also talking about you guys, like you having some sort of new beginning, okay, with this Ace of Pentacles. This could also talk about you having some sort of new beginning. There's an energy of you having finances, some sort of stability, some sort of security or something like that. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing with the Two of Wands that someone is trying to decide. There's an energy of making some sort of decision, having some sort of choice. What's going on? No facts. Especially when it comes to some sort of betrayal, deceit, some sort of lies. Yeah, because it's almost like an energy you receiving some sort of new beginning, and then this person trying to decide which way, how they gonna get back into your life so they can betray you, lie to you, cheat on you, or cheat on you, or cheat you in some form of fashion or something like that. Is what I'm saying here. High Priestess, but you're coming out as the High Priestess. You're very protected. They can't come back. It's like this person wants some sort of control. They want to possess some sort of finances or have some sort of control or have some sort of ties to your finances in some form of fashion so they can betray you. And like this person may be going through some sort of hardship or bad luck or will be going through some sort of bad luck. But I am definitely seeing your energy is coming out as like healing. You coming out as the star. There's an energy of some sort of wish fulfillment. There's an energy of you being in, I don't know, peace, harmony. Look, and then bringing conflict, but you overcome this conflict. There's an energy of you like having victory. There's energy of you having the advantage. There's an energy of you moving forward. They can't stop you. They can't hinder you. They can't take from you. They can't do any of that. Like I said it before, just like you're going through some sort of purification as you're going through you being celibate and going through this purification. They're trying to attack you with this voodoo card. Left ear is ringing. They talking shit about you to other people. They possibly got fly monkeys and all types of things that they got going on. Judgment is being called. Justice, I'm sorry. Justice. What goes around comes back around. This is like a cause and effect situation that's getting ready to happen for whoever this person is, and you can't even feel sorry for this person. They about to get done the worst way. That's why they over there running. Oh, clarifying justice is the devil card. Their ass is running. They're trying to get away. It's nothing that they can do. Even them being in regret and trying to come back and make things right. I see you rejecting and not wanting nothing to do with this person. Absolutely not. This is them missing their opportunity. Whoever this person is could have possibly even been someone that you've known in a previous lifetime. This could have been one of your soulmates, and this person did nothing but try to cause you burdens. That's all they did. Try to cause you burdens, especially when it comes to your new beginnings. Okay, somebody can have fire in their chart. Leo could definitely be significant, but I'm seeing like you're very loyal, trustworthy. I'm seeing energy of leadership. I'm seeing you having options and choices to choose from. It could be in the matters of love. They don't even have to be in the matter of love. It could be in like the matter of some happiness. I feel like whoever this person is possibly want you to make the wrong decisions as well. Because I see one of these cups, it comes with a skull on it with the Seven of Cups energy. Yeah, this is an energy from, I don't know, this person might be younger than you, childish, immature. This could be somebody from your past. This could be an ex or something like that. But I'm definitely seeing the light being shed on something. And I'm seeing you being moved to calmer waters. Yep. It's called, I'm seeing energy of you escaping some sort of turbulence or something like that. It's like an energy of you being assisted, you being helped. with the Six of Pentacles. Yep. And this person self-sabotage, self-sacrifice themselves, and they over there watching too to see if something is working for you. But if anything, I see you in here. I see you traveling. You getting ready to travel. I'm seeing energy of you having foresight, okay, making plans for the future and things like that, especially in regards to your love life, your family. If you have a family or children or something like that, like you're focusing on that, and this person is sitting here watching you and thinking that they're going to stop something for you. This person is, I'm seeing someone experiencing some sort of tower moment. Okay, unexpected events. What is this tower moment, this unexpected event? Something coming to an end. We have the death card. Somebody could possibly be passing away. Or, like I stated before, there is something that's coming to an end for a new beginning. Some sort of rebirth. I'm seeing with this hangman where someone is viewing things from a different perspective. There's a period of waiting. But this also with the period of waiting and seeing things from a different perspective, spirit wanting someone to let go. This is like learning some sort of lesson for your own happiness. There's an energy of wish fulfillment. And I'm seeing something hidden. Okay, so what is this hidden energy? I feel like this is someone there was them showing you something that is hidden. Clarify this moon card. Scorpio could definitely be significant. With this moon card, it talks about something being hidden or some sort of illusion being casted. Oh, the light being shined on something that was hidden. That's what they said. Your energy is coming off very strong. You're very strong. I'm seeing whoever you are, you could possibly be some sort of demon slayer or something like that. Because this line right here, like some sort of demon or some sort of hellhound that you take down. I'm seeing you in this Nine of Pentacles, very prosperous, abundant. Okay? I'm seeing energy of luxury. Whoever you are here, possibly be of royalty. That's what I'm seeing here. We have the King of Swords out here. There's energy of protection. This could be Archangel Michael protecting you. But this King of Swords is like Libra energy as well. We're just talking about a balancing of the scales. Okay? Balancing out the situation. This King of Swords could also be someone that's in your energy. Strong, like I said, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. But with this Four of Wands, I'm seeing that there is some sort of celebration. There's some sort of celebration here, especially when it comes to something that you're doing creatively, that you're being celebrated. I don't know. It seems like you're getting ready to come together with a community of people that is family. This could be like a soul tribe or something like that. As you're coming together with your soul tribe and doing whatever you need to do, I'm seeing your celibate being purified. You got somebody that you cut off that wants to backstab you, trying to sneak attack you, utilizing voodoo and shit like that. And then now when it's time for them to get that payback, because they were nothing more but a wolf in sheep's clothing type of energy, and we want to lie and make shit up and use all types of witchcraft. Now they want to run. You can't run from this. I'm seeing a closing to a cycle, to some sort of partnership. You guys possibly were some sort of partnership or something, in some sort of partnership. You could have been friends, worked together or something like that. You could have been in a relationship. I don't know. There was some sort of union here. It could have been platonic or romantic, but whoever this person is, they didn't go about it right. They should have just simply healed. But they decided they wanted to use some sort of magic to like take you down or hurt you. Now it's about to ricochet and fuck them up. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold